If you know where to shop, you can save on all of your groceries, and I'm here to help you prepare this week. Here are some of the top deals at the Valley grocery stores.
Let's start with your protein. Safeway has Sanderson Farms split chicken breasts, drumsticks, thighs, leg quarters, and whole chickens for 97 cents per pound. Shop Food City on Thursday and get those drumsticks and thighs even cheaper, 57 cents per pound. Prefer pork? Safeway has a digital coupon for pork loin back ribs and St. Louis spare ribs for $1.77 per pound. Where's the beef? Lots of it for $2.97 per pound at Albertsons, including USDA boneless beef chuck and sirloin top roasts. Spice it up with green bell peppers. You'll get 3 for 99 cents at Food City. Add russet potatoes to the meal and pay 88 cents for a 5-pound bag at Safeway. Lots of fruit on sale. Bashas' has Gala, Fuji, Granny Smith, and Sweetie apples for 88 cents per pound. That's more than $1 off per pound. Safeway has 6 ounces of raspberries for 97 cents each, and that's going to save you about $2. Wash it all down with this digital coupon deal at Albertsons. 2-liter bottles of Coke, Pepsi, and 7-Up will cost you 68 cents each. We have more deals at abc15.com/smartshopper.
Don't forget, October is National Frozen Foods Month.
Who knew?
So, I feel like there's always a national holiday.
There is, and a national day, but hey.
And you know what? I love it. And so grocery stores are actually dropping their prices on frozen foods, so it's at least going to help your wallet.
Well, from their freezer to yours.
Exactly.
Let's do this.
That's a new
Gear up
slogan.
for Thanksgiving.
Way to go, Kaylee.
Bring it.